Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of you. You're really awesome, and I hope you all get a special, specific win, whatever that is that you're really looking forward to. Just make sure you keep working towards it, whatever that goal is. This game now has a name. It's called Project Escapism. If you all hate that, please tell me, I guess. I used a cloned instance of Bob. If you know, you know. It's like super deep lore from when I was working at Walmart. And another YouTuber. I'm not going to say his name, but yeah. Anyways. And we stole the Titan's geometry and legs and stuff for the player model. I can practically do anything with this game, but we're not going to talk about my capabilities. That's top secret. This here is a first person view. It isn't going to stay like this. And one of the bugs right now, of the 50 or so probably bugs you could find if you was really digging into it, the bobs, the zombies, are scaled incorrectly for the first person mode because we had to. I actually just figured this out just now while I'm thinking about all this. The player model, when we ported in the Titan as the body for the player model, it was scaled 10 times bigger than the surrounding zombies were, and the environment was. I asked for a scaled down version of that player model, and that was in the ISO mode, which now I know how to fix it. We scale down the player model inside of first person mode. We're gonna have to bring the weapons back. There's always a give and take with this because this isn't like, oh, Unreal Engine's editor, we can play with whatever we want node-wise. We have to build a logic system, run it through an index file, and do all this other stuff. It's kind of science, and that's why I'm into it, and that's why it's working. Thank you for watching.